Hey everybody, it's Ross and Jamie here from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today?
Today, it was requested by Julie Darchuk that we make a Paralyzer. So today's drink is the
Vodka Paralyzer has vodka and Kahlua in it. And you put about equal parts vodka and Kahlua, about an ounce or so. And we're going to stir that up. And we're going to add some Cokes after that. Good enough. Stir. Go ahead and top that up to about 3/4 or about 80% with Coke. And we're going to stir that again real gently just to get everything mixed up. And then go in with, this is 10%, half and half. You can use a heavy cream there. That's probably good, eh? Good there. All right.
Well, we'll see how this goes.
Cheers to Julie.
Here we go. Well, it's not my favorite. I probably only have one of those.
One is probably good.
Cheers. Cheers.